The AeroVironment Switchblade is a miniature-sized loitering munition drone developed by AeroVironment. It is designed as a kamikaze drone, being able to crash into its target with an explosive warhead to destroy it. The Switchblade is small enough to be carried in a backpack and can be launched from a variety of ground, maritime, and air platforms. Two variants exist, the Switchblade 300 and the Switchblade 600. The Switchblade was conceived by the U.S. Air Force Special Operations Command before the U.S. Army picked it up. It was unveiled in August 2011 to fill a gap U.S. troops were facing in Afghanistan, responding to an insurgent ambush. Close air support takes time to arrive, is expensive to conduct, and risks collateral damage in urban areas. Troops that are out of range of artillery support can be aided by costly guided missiles such as the FGM-148 Javelin. Small man-portable unmanned aerial vehicles like the Raven or Puma that can spot threats have no way of quickly engaging because available weapons are too heavy to carry. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.